Now let's get to the ultimate riff. Starts with the open E. Then we're gonna slide from 5 to 7. And let's see. And I'm using my middle finger. So 5 up to 7 on the D. Then I got my middle finger back on the 5 with my index below it on the 4th. And I pluck it once and I pull off, pull off. So after I do that, I'm going to do the same thing on the A string with that open A in there. Then I'm going to go to a G power chord, which is 3rd, 5th, 5th. Do a little bit of that, a down up, just like earlier, the down up, down, but we're going to do a G power chord to an E power chord. So you've got starts the same way after that. G to E, but then we're going to do this. We're going to go up to the 7th fret on the G, kind of slide up to it, 6, and then 7 on the D. So when you put it together, it looks like this. So after you've done G, E, up this one, G, E, then you do the first one again, then you do this little piece, just that first D string piece, then we're going to do a power chord on the 5th fret of the A string, which gives it makes a D power chord right here. And so I've got 5, 7, 7, and I'm going to go. Okay. So check it out. When you put that whole riff together.